In this video, I'll explain how you can easily read analog signals with Arduino. First, let's set up the components. You will need an Arduino board and a potentiometer. Connect the ground pin of potentiometer to the ground pin of Arduino. Then connect the VCC pin on potentiometer to 5V pin on Arduino. Then connect the signal pin to analog input A0 pin on Arduino. Now let's write the program for the board. First we will set the pin A0 as an input by using pin mode function. Then we will enable serial module with serial.begin function and using baud rate of 9600. Now in the loop function, we will make a variable named value and store the analog signal value into the variable by using AnalogRead function. Then we will print the read value into our serial console by using serial.println function. Then we will add a delay function to add a delay and prevent flooding our console. Now let's test our program with simulation. Now if we rotate the knob on potentiometer, you will see our console outputs different values. The range of outputted value will be within 0 and 1023, this is the limitation of Arduino's 10-bit ADC.